Sewage odors inside your home can be super annoying and even kinda gross, but fixing it is usually way easier than you think. So, first off, check your plumbing traps under sinks and tubs because those little U-shaped pipes hold water that blocks sewer gases from sneaking in. If the trap dries out or gets clogged, it's like opening a stinky door to your house. You can pour water down drains that don't get used often to refill the traps. Also, ventilation is key. Make sure your septic tank area or sewer vent pipes aren't blocked or damaged. If the vent pipes are clogged with leaves or debris, gases can't escape outside and end up inside instead. Another thing is to look for leaks or cracks in your plumbing system, especially around the basement or crawl space where you might not notice right away. Keeping your drains clean with natural products like baking soda and vinegar can help stop buildup that causes smells. And don't forget to check your septic tank regularly if you have one, because a full or malfunctioning tank can cause odors to back up inside. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sewage odors inside their home is ignoring dry plumbing traps. They don't realize water evaporates fast in unused drains, so just pouring water regularly solves a lot of problems. Another common issue is blocked vent pipes, which most homeowners don't check until the smell gets unbearable. Cleaning those vents or hiring a pro to inspect them fixes the airflow problem. Lastly, lots of folks miss tiny leaks or cracks in their plumbing that let gases escape into the house. Spotting and sealing those leaks early stops the stink from spreading. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know how to handle sewage odor problems safely and quickly. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an awesome way to find solid work from homeowners who really need your skills.